Now this is the fourth class of properties of matters. Okay, thermal properties of matter. Thermal properties, thermal expansion of liquid. Thermal expansion of liquid. Why not? Why do the liquids have no linear and aerial expansion? Liquid have only volume but no definite shape. So the liquid have only volume expansion on heating. Liquid can be heated directly. Solid can be heated directly, but liquid cannot be heated directly. Liquid are to be taken in the container and the heated. Like this. If temperature given and it will be heated and the volume will be expanded. This is initial volume and this is the final volume. After giving the temperature, it will be heated and the volume will be increases. Okay, next. When a liquid in a container is heated, both the liquid and container expansion. Hence, in case of the liquid, there are two types of the expansion. There are apparent expansion and absolute or real expansion. Apparent expansion, when a liquid is heated in a container, the observer change in the volume. Observed change in volume of liquid related to the container is called the apparent expansion of the liquid. When the liquid is heated in a container, the observed change in volume of the liquid related to the container is called the apparent expansion of liquid. Apparent expansion of liquid is depend on which? Depend on the nature of the liquid, nature of the material of the container, initial volume of the liquid, okay, and change of temperature. This depend on, okay, depend on this nature of the liquid, nature of the material of the container. That means liquid, nature of the liquid. If we use the experiment with water and alcohol, there will be different liquid. And second one, the nature of material means if the material is iron material, copper material, gold material is etc. Initial volume means the how many liquid used for this experiment, like this 100 ml, 1000 ml, etc. Change in temperature, how much changes temperature is in this experiment. Like this, you do the experiment 100 to 120, and another experiment doing 100 to 220. Then it will be change of expansion will be defined. Next, coefficient of the apparent expansion of a liquid. The ratio of apparent increase in the volume of a liquid per unit range of temperature to the original volume is called the coefficient of apparent expansion. Coefficient of apparent expansion কতটা increase করছে, ঠিক আছে, this is called the apparent expansion. This is gamma apparent equals to V2 minus V1 by initial volume by change of temperature. So it is defined as the change of temperature, initial volume by change of temperature. Okay, it is measure of the Kelvin to the power -1 or degree centimeter -1. V is the initial volume of the liquid and temperature T1, and V2 is the initial volume of the liquid at T2 temperature, and gamma is the called the coefficient of apparent temperature of the liquid. Then real and absolute expansion is when a liquid is heated in a container, is the real change of volume of the liquid is called the real and absolute expansion of liquid. When the liquid is heated, the container, the real change in the volume of the liquid is called the real and absolute temperature of the liquid. The real expansion of the liquid is depend on nature of the liquid, initial volume, change in temperature. Okay, change in temperature is depend on three: nature of the liquid, initial volume, and change in temperature, but not depend on who is on nature of the container. Nature of the container does not depend on the real expansion of liquid, but the apparent expansion of liquid depend on the nature of the container. The coefficient of the real and absolute expansion of liquid. The ratio of real increase in volume of a liquid per unit raise of temperature to the original volume is called the coefficient of real expansion of. Gamma equals to V2 minus V1 by gamma by V initial volume this. Then what will be the gamma coefficient of the real expansion? R gamma R. Its unit is gamma to the power minus or same as the absolute temperature, real expansion. Sorry, apparent expansion. Next one, the liquid have only volumic expansion. Okay, superficial expansion, another name is areal expansion. Superficial expansion is another name of this areal expansion. Real expansion of liquid depend on which one? Nature of the liquid, change in temperature, size of the liquid molecules, both A and B. I think it is both A and B. Next one, when the liquid is heated in a container, the observer change in the liquid relative to the container is called dash expansion of liquid. Apparent, real, volumetric and cubical. It will be apparent. Comparison of the expansion of the solid and liquid. The comparison of expansion of solid and liquid. The expansion of solid is almost uniform in any other temperature change, whereas the liquid expand at different rate in different change in temperature. Solid can have the linear, superficial and the volumic expansion, but the liquid have only volumic expansion. The coefficient of the volumic expansion of liquid are generally several hundred times greater than the solid. Volumic expansion liquid is 100 times greater than the solid. Okay, next one. The numericals value of gamma and gamma R is unit is per Fahrenheit is 5/8 times numericals value of per degree C. Okay, 5/9 times of মানে আমি যদি এটাকে ফারেনহাইটে করি আর ডিগ্রিতে সেলসিয়াসে করি সেটার কথা বলছি। The relation between C and F equals to C by 5 equals to F minus 32 by 90. Okay, এটা আমরা আগের স্লাইডে করেছি এইগুলো। When a liquid is taken in the container and is heated, then the occupy the volume over the liquid remain constant at all temperature. Even Vc minus gamma C, Vc into gamma C equals to Vr minus gamma R. Okay, Vc is the volume of the container, Vl is the volume of the liquid, and Vr is, Vc, gamma C is the coefficient of volume expansion of the container, and Vl is the coefficient of the real expansion of the liquid. Variable in density in the liquid with temperature. Variation of temperature. Okay, consider the liquid mass M and rho is the density of liquid at T1 is the 0 degree temperature, and the density changes, rho 2 will be the density at temperature at T, and it will be temperature T0 degree C. Okay, so gamma R equals to rho 0 by rho 1 same as rho T minus change of temperature. It is same as the volumic expansion. So rho 0 equals to rho T 1 plus gamma T, where T is the change of temperature. And density is liquid is increases and decreases with temperature. MCQ. Expansion of solid is in any other temperature changes over as the liquid expansion different rates in different change of temperature. Okay, non-uniform, uniform, equals, unequals. Which one? It will be uniform. The relation between C and F equals to C by 5 equals to, it will be F minus 5, option A. Oh, sorry, F minus 32 minus 9. F minus 32 by 9. The density of liquid dash with the increasing of temperature will be decreasing. It will be decreasing. Next one, anomalous expansion of water. The anomalous expansion of water, generally the liquid expand on heating and contact on cooling, like this. This is 0 degree temperature, there is a liquid here, and 0 degree C, it will be ice. Okay? The expansion implied density decrease. Expansion, if the liquid is expansion, the density decreases, and contraction density increases. But the water contrast on heating 0 to 4 degree C and expand with further rising temperature, and this phenomenon is called the anomalous expansion. On the cooling, it contrasts 100 to 0 degree C, it will be contrast. From 100 to 0 degree C, it will be contrast, and expand from 4 degree to 0 degree C. This peninsular behaviors of water is range 0 to 4 degree C is called the anomalous expansion of water. Okay? This is the density, and this is the density of this. Next one. If you draw a graph, this graph is like this, volume and in the temperature. This curve shows the volume of the temperature decreases 0 degrees C, like this increasing, and voltage of this. Okay? And the 4 degrees C of volume of water is minimum. Causes of anomalous expansion. The anomalous behaviors of water is expand on the assumption that there are 3 types of water's molecules: H2O, H2O, and H2O3. The molecules have different volume per unit masses and mix the different proportional in the different temperature. Different masses in different temperature. Next. So that the maximum density at 4 degree C is due to the greater proportional of the higher types. Greater proportional of higher types. Significance of anomalous expansion of water. What is significant? The anomalous expansion of waters play a very important role in our lives, in the lives of animal, lakes and ponds and sea, etc. In the anomalous behaviors of water is advantage of the aquatic animals. During the winter and colds, the country water in ponds, lakes and behavior colds and 4 degrees C the atmospheric temperature. Water has the maximum density at 4 degrees C. So the lower layer of the water contain 4 degrees C and lie the upper layer and further cool down and 4 degrees C and freeze into ice. The ice is the bad conductor of the heat, so the lower layer of the water is protect against the freezing. Hence the aquatic animal can survive in low layer at 4 degrees C. The water contrast on heating 4 degrees C, which one is right? Tell me. In this called the behaviors anomalous expansion. The aquatic animal can survive its low temperature in water. 4 degrees C it will be 4 degrees C. Expansion of the gases. Gas have no definite shape and size and their own like solid, but they completely occupy the entire volume of the vessel into which they are introduced irrespective their masses. For the gases, the coefficient of linear and areal expansion have no significance. What happens in a gas when it is heated? When a gas is heated, then when the gas is container is heated, because the high expansion of gases and usually it neglected the expansion of container. When the gas is heated, its pressure and volume changes simultaneously, and this is not convenient to measure the two variation of at this time. When the gas is heated, the variation in the volume can be measured by keeping the pressure constant. Similarly, when the gas is heated, the variation in pressure can be measured when the volume is remained constant. Gas has two coefficients, at volume coefficients and another is pressure coefficient beta. The volume coefficient is alpha. The volume coefficient of gas is defined as the increasing in the volume of given mass of gas per unit volume at 0 degree C per degree Celsius in reserve temperature, keeping the pressure constant. And V0 and Vt is the volume of given masses at 4 degree C and T degree C respectively constant pressure. Then alpha equals to Vt minus V0, same as V0 into T. Okay, it is the change of temperature. If the V1 and V2 the volume of the gases given mass of gas T1 and T2 respectively at quantum pressure, then alpha equals to V2 minus V1 and V1 T2 minus V2 T1. The unit of volume coefficient of the gas is Kelvin to the power minus 1 and degree centigrade. The dimension formula of the coefficient of the gases is M0 L0 T0 Kelvin to the power minus 1. The value of alpha is 1 by 273.15 equals to like this almost of these all gases. The pressure coefficient of beta. The pressure coefficient of gases is defined as the increase in pressure of given gas, given mass of gas per pressure at 0 degree Celsius reaching temperature, keeping the volume constant. Okay, pressure means volume constant. It have to take the volume constant, and P and P0 be the pressure of a given mass of gas at T0 temperature and T temperature respectively at constant volume. Then we can write beta equals to Pt minus change of pressure by initial pressure into T. Okay. If P1 and P2 the pressure of a given masses of gas at T1 and T2 respectively the constant volume, then beta equals to P2 minus P1 by P1 T2 minus P2 T2. The unit of pressure coefficient of the gas Kelvin to the power minus 1. The dimension formula is M0 L0 T0 K to the power minus 1. The value of beta is like this. It is the almost constant in all gases. MCQ. The unit of volume coefficient and pressure is coefficient of gas is on Kelvin like this. The dimension formula of volume of coefficient and pressure coefficient of a gas is like this. Which one is? Okay. This is the fourth slide. It's over.